In order to learn a programming language, there are four key terms that you need to master. The first one is terminology. Every programming language has its own terminology and different way to represent what it's trying to say, like variable instantiation, which might sound really complicated at first, but as we move along this series, you will get used to it and you will need it to talk to different programmers. Second is the data types, like the values in our real world, like alphabets, numbers, decimals, fractions, mathematical terms like sine and cos, and so on. These types contain information, and each programming language have different sort of data types, and this is what makes them different. Third is the actions. You will tell your machine to perform certain actions. This is what programming's all about, storing the information as data types in your memory and performing certain actions on them. Last but not the least is best practices, the correct way to code your program. You do not want your source code to look like a jigsaw puzzle for others to come along and try to solve it and understand what it means. Rather, you want your code to be as clean, as dry, and as understandable as possible by others. So, in future, the other programmers might come and develop your code even more. In this YouTube series, I will use the practical approach to teach you Python, which will start from absolute basics of Python to creating our own Twitter bot and so on. If you want me to continue, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.